Watching birds soar through the sky in a perfect V-shaped formation is more than a spectacle. It's a sophisticated survival strategy evolved over millennia. This aerodynamic arrangement provides multiple critical advantages for migratory birds. The primary benefit is energy conservation. When a bird flaps its wings, it generates upwash air currents that provide additional lift for trailing birds. By positioning themselves strategically, birds in the middle and rear of the formation use significantly less energy than the lead bird. This efficiency is crucial during long migrations spanning thousands of miles. To manage the physical demands, birds rotate leadership. The bird at the front, facing full wind resistance, periodically falls back to rest while another takes the lead. This rotational strategy ensures no single bird becomes overly fatigued, allowing the flock to maintain a steady pace across vast distances. The V formation also serves critical communication and navigation functions. Each bird maintains a clear line of sight to its neighbors, minimizing collision risks and enabling quick responses to directional changes. The structured arrangement allows experienced leader to guide the flock, with birds synchronizing their wing beats to maximize aerodynamic benefits and reduce turbulence. This formation is an instinctive behavior that has evolved through natural selection. Species adopting this strategy experienced greater migratory success, making the V formation a powerful demonstration of nature's capacity for efficient cooperation. When we observe birds flying in this elegant pattern, we are witnessing a remarkable adaptation that ensures survival through collective intelligence. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.